What's up, YouTube? This is Chris, aka Bar911970. Thank you, as always, for checking out my videos. All right, guys, let's talk a little bit about gold and silver. We have some interesting rises overnight. We're seeing gold right now at about a 6-month high. Currently, roughly, it fell a little bit from earlier today, but it's currently at around 1367. It got as high as around 1370, but we always know once it hits highs, it's going to test it, and you're going to see a little bit of a pullback. We got silver right now, roughly up around 39 cents at 21.27. And a couple of days ago, I made a video talking about platinum and palladium as an interesting buy. And right now, we see platinum up around $13, palladium up 10. And I really think we haven't seen anything yet as far as those two metals are concerned, considering the tensions that are going on with Russia and the Ukraine. Russia being the largest distributor of palladium, and I believe either the second or third largest in platinum. If we try to do any sanctions with them, you could pretty much kiss palladium goodbye. And palladium can do what rhodium did a bunch of years ago. Rhodium, I think it got up to around $10,000 an ounce at one point. I mean, it shot up overnight almost literally. I'm not saying that is going to happen, but it's not an impossibility. We've seen it before. And we've also seen a couple of years ago when there were some significant platinum problems with the South African miners. They were striking then as well. The price rose over $1,000 an ounce within 6 months, and that strike is continuing. So let me read a couple of articles. You can go to thebulliondesk.com and check out both of these if you want, and I'll post the link for that. Just scroll down after you see the prices of the metals. You'll see the categories where you can click on the information. But right now they're saying in this one article, the gold price pushes past $13.70 an ounce as dollar slips versus the euro. Spot gold pushed higher again late in the European afternoon session, breaking through $1,370 an ounce to a near 6-month high. The metal was last closed at $13.6940 an ounce, up 22.10, or more than 1.6% on Tuesday's close, having been as high as $13.71 earlier. Dollar weakness seemed to be the most obvious supporting factor, with the U.S. currently falling half a cent against the euro to 1.39 after a European Central Bank executive said there are no signs of deflation in the Eurozone. Well, that right there shows that not only in the United States corporation, but even in Europe and other locations, a banker or somebody of distinction can make a claim and the people will buy it. And the markets tend to react because of that. So one of the reasons why you're seeing the prices going up is partially due to the devaluation of the dollar against the euro, but it didn't have a major change, so I don't think that would majorly affect the prices. But there's another article here about platinum, which, like I said, I've been talking about platinum and palladium as an interesting thing to look at these days. The platinum news is South African platinum strike loses top 2012 total. Platinum production lost in South Africa in the current round of strikes has surpassed those of the 2012 stoppages, industry sources told the Bullion Desk on Wednesday. Cumulative losses for the top 3 producers, Anglo-American Platinum, Impala Platinum, and Lamnin, now top 500,000 ounces, while the total in 2012 was 496,359 ounces. According to the Chamber of Mines website, revenue losses by the affected companies now stand at more than 8 billion rand, which is about $730 million, while employees have lost more than 3.5 billion rand in wages. The strikes have now dragged on for more than 7 weeks and are currently in a deadlock. So what that is telling me at this particular point, if they continue, and it seems that they will, because like I said in the other video, and check it out if you haven't seen it, the employees that are on strike are basically asking for double their salary. And if you're an owner of a mine with how much the metal prices have been manipulated, miners are not making much money as it is at this point. A lot of them are losing money. So there is no way they would be able to double the salary of the employees. So they're at a stalemate, and that can go on for a while. And the longer that goes, the more it will eventually affect their reserves, which you could see is already surpassed the 2012 strike that they had. And you will see these prices start to really rise. Then if you add the situation with Russia and Ukraine, if there's sanctions and all of a sudden Russia decides you're not getting any more of our palladium, you could see huge moves. So it is a potential buying opportunity, but I'm not going to tell you what to buy. I'm just giving the information. What you do is up to you. So leave your comments. If you appreciate this, give it a thumbs up. Share my videos if you can. Favor them. It's much appreciated. Let's see what you have to say. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.